Did you know from the 5th to the 14th of May, it's the Garstang Walking Festival, with over 40 walks to choose from rural Wyre to the Forest of Bowland. I'm here today on the Nicky Nook Trail. Come on, let's go for a walk. Coordinated by the Friends of Garstang Walking Festival and supported by Wyre Council, you will find plenty of Lancashire walking favourites, including the Bluebell Walk in Caldervale, Nicky Nook and Langdon Brook. And if you're truly up for adventure, why not take part in the 3-day Wyre Way Challenge? And of course there are plenty of short town and village walks, including places like Fleetwood, Glaston Dock and of course Garstang. The festival will also have tramper trails and dog-friendly walks. And with over 40 different walks spread out over 10 days, there's something for everyone. For more information about the Garstang Walking Festival, the rangers and volunteer walk leaders, head to the website www.wyre.gov.uk/Garstang Walking Festival. But as with every year, be quick because places are limited. So what are you waiting for? Sign up to your favourite walks online and I'll see some of you on the trails.